Nye so kanka na ama henkanwi sa 7 no. Ni ekoso Ghana ha no. We ase kire sen. We ase pa kire sen. Sa GS wode bi afeka ba bi ni niema yenya kase yempew ni aso wo ni aye wo so dom na chese apan bi aba wo hia san kwanhia no e wo mo nsem. Eye die be. Eye die. Wona wo be kire wo bi se we ni paso mesi na ese de ne ba. Ah, se a professor poko amankwa to ono wate wano de wanu mu ye ntia ne fe. Ya shamra gu tiri so anya o, ye tu mra gu tiri so anya. E de pe no. Me de so mo so mo nkokira de a. Yesre, ma ye ntua wo mu ka. Ye nya bibi e ma Ghana no, e di pa bi hu se, wo bi amro mra so. Apan ni fa ne nansi fom. Se wo mo so wo mu ye mema. Se sa asem hunu wei. Womu pejina so eni pa ne kura nyanyi ni tum sa pa pejina tum sa wanyi ni tum enu nti encroforman trans no mu koskua maye tuo mka wo mai de metumi aka no
okay
na ya too much e wo Ghana hadodo indiscipline no e too much.
All right, akosi ajo akode mama ntiu me masem kra nka ye ba be hwe kra ye principals conference of principals of college of education prinkoff woman the krata babontin say omo ka kira ban ni say effective Monday aban ni ma training teachers na mfidi omo ho efri juade ko ehu kra cha ni nyina training teachers mama kwa ho man so na me ne Mr. Junu, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
But Mr. John Jonathan Junu namne kasai. Okay. Wada Roma. Yenya krata di adanse se mode atuja se efri adwade ko November 7th. Mo pese trainee teachers omo a ebo omo ho brana aduane ombedie no omo ato aduane die. Pacho and then in grata to me banny a better fake. What are my more son as I say?
But that's my clarification. Me
too, what are my
letter? And ye natural letter, print off an actual letter. No. To Prinkoff wrote the letter to the minister. So I represent the teacher trainees in the country.
Okay.
So I am coming from TAC. I speak for the students. So the letter came from Prinkoff.
Prinkoff for krata and so musom.
Yes, we've seen it and we've also received it. But the fact is that, as students, we are not in support. And I say, I'm not Prinkoff for the better. As I was a student, where are they going to get the food from? And I think that to some extent, we also go. To some extent, we understand the reason for which Prinkoff would have to come out with this letter. It's simply because for 4 months, allowance has been in arrears for 4 months. And then the suppliers, people who give them food items before they feed the students, are not willing to give them supplies again because they are owing. This is a problem. And then the second one is that the amount that is used in feeding the student, that's the 6 cedis 50 pesos, is roughly inadequate. If you check the price of goods now, and you are feeding a student a day with 6 cedis 50 pesos, that should tell you that it's not enough to feed a student. How much would you even spend to buy porridge and then bread? Talking about feeding breakfast, lunch, and supper with 6 cedis 50 pesos. It's woefully inadequate. So the problem is just two. Let's have an increment in the feeding component, and then there should be a consistent payment. There should be consistency in payment. It's simple as that.
Hello, Juno.
This problem will keep coming on. You remember somewhere in May, the principals came out with similar letter.
Yes.
Asking that they were going to ask the students to feed themselves. and then now they are out again with the same letter. It tells you that the problem is still there and it needs to be solved. If payment is even coming on monthly basis, in a way, the principals would have been able to manage the situation in a way. But situation where it has to accumulate in months, this problem will still be coming. And we will not allow our students, over 60,000 students, to be on campus without food. If we do that, should that become the decision that students will have to feed themselves? I can assure you that will pose a threat to national security. And I don't believe that stakeholders will even allow that to happen. Should they allow it, they should know that will pose a threat to national security, I'm telling you, because you're sending over 60,000 students to the various campuses. You're going to allow them to staff.
Okay. Mami, now I see you know. Let me leave you here. Akosia, Mami too.
Yo, my yena yeti for senior and share one man pay. Now, as someone at that ponosua, what you can home come bebre no. And once in Bisane Dawson. And na emu yen so edoso pa empanyfo se obi nyina de kwa anse no be ni bibi ne wo de free na se ne wo na se yemi se ho se de na ama ene yaba beduru ba bia yadui se akyerkyerefo ankasa asore se panyini a wo ba bedi wo manim wo mo mpe no yeni kemi se ho se edie nti ena ama owura no wo so mo mpe no enu ye de edi kan wo mai se o ye yiu so my brother tinem ne be host na me ne wonya adwuma na se mempewo a eye de be ne be maka se mempewo it me be se na minim de wotumi ye dada minim wan kasa enim se enuoma ba ko mienu miensa bu ono mo a ye de so man sa enye yi enu wo ho ana se ye wotan hunu bi keke se nipa no a wo ba no ankasa no mempe no ha mu pa mo nko soro ene betere nye pe nipa no oye dem ma ne ma eno so wo ho wo man se yetimi hunu sa no ma mienu de a ye betumi ehunu akyerkyerefo no ankasa ba bia wo no mu gina ene ba bia wo mo keka ko na won mo strike na won mo ka so mo ko ne de me ne won mo nyaadwe wo ma ga na yasoso no ma so ama yaage yensem da bia so fofo so na da na ye kwaye se yatimuo na de suafo wo ho no mu a wose ye kire won made akyerkyerefo se panyina wo banti menti ase ma panyine ma adai ya ma panyine ya ntanase ya anya hye yenti ye ko strike at the end of the day no enye teacher ni no a wo ba no a wo ba be di anim nyon ne be kwa atia no eye nkoda ne be kwa atia wo mo se yetumi hunu ne sa de a wo man ene ne yansi nkonya aban ne won mo ntenase na won mo nkanya asem bia ne ye ko ho strike we ho strike no emfaso bia ni so se ye be ko we ho strike na mo ne aban no tenase na mo ka mo hin asem a menim se aban ne betie se ade no a mo ka no ankasa no mo ade nti na ama mo gina so a mo de ka se teacher ni wei anase panyi pa wei a wo be ye mpe no se mutimi list mo neoma se weinti ye ko strike anase weinti teacher ni wei ye mpe no a wo ma menim se aban ne betie ye ru akenofrata wo betena akonya so yi eye Ghana man panyi na danko akufu ado na yi no meboa at the end of the day no Ghana for say kenofrata we ye mpe no edi nti na ama ye mpe no wo ma mu no dodo no a list neoma ba ko mienu miensa papa ne ye nti a ye gina so say ye mpe no enti man panyi empamo ne firi ho
na say parliament